Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 4, Nutrition in Living Organisms. In previous PPT, we have learned nutrition, need for nutrition and photosynthesis process. So students, today we are going to learn and understand photosynthesis reaction and transport system in plants. So students, let us learn photosynthesis reaction. Plants make their food in their leaves with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called as photosynthesis. Plants converts light energy into chemical energy and store it in the form of food. Let us see photosynthesis equation. 6CO2 carbon dioxide plus 6H2O water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants make their food C6H12O6 glucose food plus 6O2 release oxygen. Students, in the photosynthesis process, water, minerals and salts are absorbed by roots from the soil. The stem transports them up to leaves. The leaves have microscopic opening called stomata through which they take in the carbon dioxide from the air. The chloroplast present in the leaves contain chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight, helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. And oxygen is given out in this process. Besides leaves, photosynthesis takes place in some other parts like green stem too, as they contain chlorophyll. Students, let us learn transport system in plants. The transport system in plants consists of xylem and phloem. Let us learn transport system in plants in different parts. Section of a leaf, section of a stem and section of a root consist of xylem and phloem. Students, you can see here the pink color part is xylem and blue color part is phloem. Students, let us see function of xylem. The xylem transports minerals and water from the root to all aerial parts of the plant. Let us see function of phloem. The phloem transport the food glucose from the leaves to other parts of the plant, where it is either consumed or stored. Though the plants have a transport system, they do not have a separate digestive or excretory system. Students, plants produce carbohydrates by the process of photosynthesis. Carbohydrates are made from carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Proteins are made from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Thank you.